How to fix OneDrive error 0x8004de2f in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you check your internet connection. Sometimes, the stability might be more important than the speed itself. If that didn't work, OneDrive relies on TLS protocols to be running, so make sure they are enabled. Ensure the following settings are applied. SSL 3.1, TLS 1.0 and TLS 1.1 are disabled. TLS 1.2 and TLS 1.3 are enabled. Click Apply and then OK. Restart your PC and try using OneDrive again. Clearing the credentials stored by OneDrive in the Windows Credential Manager can fix a number of related problems. Make sure that your Windows is also updated to the latest version. Click on the OneDrive version. This should open the browser and the release notes from Microsoft. If the latest version listed there matches with the one on your app, you are up to date. If the version does not match, simply click on Download OneDrive for Windows, follow the installation instructions, and it will install the latest version on your device. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.